Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back, my fearless family. If you are new to the channel and you found me because I am doing an unboxing with Dooney and Bourke, go ahead and subscribe. I do unboxings, I talk about weight loss, I do my makeup, and it will be other different videos to come about me. So that's why it's Tasha on Demand. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Here's a disclaimer before we get started. I think I have done so far maybe about 4 unboxings. Everyone, up until now, I did not have a purse collection because I was a single mother. I got divorced in 2014 and my children were all in my son was in junior high, my daughters were in high school. So throughout those years I've been sacrificing to get everyone through college and not buying certain things for myself, and I don't have a problem with it. Some people think of the word sacrifice as if they had to do it. I wanted to do it. So now that my children are grown and have their degrees, I have freed up cash where I could actually splurge and buy some things for myself. Prior to adding to my collection this year, because I have been just catching every deal, every sale, because these purses I've been looking at during the regular season and they were expensive. So now that they're on sale and I have coupon codes, I just been building up my purse collection. So I don't want you to think that I'm some type of hyper consumer or that I just, am trying to flaunt. These are mid-grade purses, so this is not like I'm doing a Hermes unboxing. But I just wanted to say that because some people will be like, she buy a lot of purses. That's because I didn't have any, and I will show you guys my purses. Yeah, I carry one Coach purse for like 5 years. It look a mess, but I still have it. So let's just go ahead and get started. This is from Dooney and Bourke. I've already opened the box because I got it a few weeks ago. So it is a satchel. This is 282 out of 391. This purse was at such a good price. I mean, it was such a good price. I actually purchased two that day, and I got one in a lighter color because they were on such deep discount. I will leave some coupon codes below the video with the links of how to get you a satchel. Again, moms, if you have a little wiggle room in your budget, this is the time of year where you should be on Dooney and Bourke. If you just have a small collection, you may have two or three, go over there when you're done watching this unboxing and let's just get started. This color is called coffee and it is in the Penrose leather. This is not a Florentine leather. The hardware is in like a silver tone, and I like that. See the silver tone, and the Dooney and Bourke is kind of like a silver tone as well, or what they would call maybe a nickel plate. Usually Dooney have gold tones on their purses, but this one has nickel plate, which means that I can use my all of my silver charms and embellishments on this particular purse. It has the brown tomorrow stitching or looping or whatever this is called in the this is called a purse strap. Okay. It feels really soft. It's not as heavy as Florentine. I know it appears, it kind of look like a Florentine. It doesn't have the strap to go across, just the 4 feet. wanted to get up so you can see up close. See the hardware is like a silver or a nickel plate, and this is the zipper is in a tannish color. It is a twisted purse zipper. Of course, we got the normal things. We all like Dooney because they give you the dust cloth. Thank goodness for that. Let's go ahead and take all of this out. And I will do a move-in on the next video, but I just wanted to do the unboxing on this video. It does just have the basic, this is like a canvas lining. I believe it is the size of a regular satchel, which is 13 in length, 13 inches in length. So it's pretty big. It's pretty deep too. So you can put an insert in this bag. So you still get the size that, it's like it mimics the Florentine. And I know some people will say, well, Dooney make this in pebble and different, in Sorrento, but it's really smooth. Let's get a look up close. It's really smooth. Here's the tassels. I do have some tassel holders or whatever they're called. Here's the side. Let's cut this off because it's making a lot of noise. Even on the strap, it is it kind of have a gold undertone, but not as much gold as the Florentine, and I like it. I like it. That's not a complaint. Let's look at the purse strap. And if I'm not, oh, loud. If I'm not mistaken, Dooney has like, excuse me, guys, my clothes are getting big. So it is not perfection. I do see a few little things, but for the price, I'm not going to complain, and I'm not going to send it back simply because if I don't no longer want to carry my bags, I have two daughters that just turned 28 in October. They will be happy to take this purse off my hand. And let's just take a look at the inside. It has the Dooney label in leather and in cursive. It does have the little key finder. It has two pockets on the side, one zipped. It has the registration. And like most Dooney collectors now, I'm going to start keeping my registration. And then on the other side, it has a pouch. Do I think it's going to get softer over time? Probably. Now, what I don't hear is that crunch everyone talk about. Not with the canvas. Let's see what the tag says. It doesn't say if it's made in America or not. And to my understanding, the better ones are the ones that's made in America. But it really doesn't make me a difference. Most of the bags that I buy are going to be deep discount. So I'm getting what I pay for. But did I mention that it is coffee? This color is coffee, which means that if you are a neutral girl, this is probably going to go with all of your winter, all the way into fall to winter wear. So that's the reason why I got it. I'm like, this is a purse that you can carry as soon as the leaves start falling, all the way up until spring, if you're a person that really don't purchase bags that often. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it for sure. And again, it's because that if I don't want it, I know I have a daughter. It's hard to get her to buy anything for herself. So I would just pass it on to her. I apologize, you guys. I'm recording on a phone, and sometimes the notifications will kick me out of the phone app. I'm gonna also put this inside the purse to keep it, because I'm at the point now where I am collecting. Oh, and here is the purse strap. It's pretty thick. I like that. It's kind of wide, and this purse right now is not available, but something similar, the satchels, as similar as you could get to this purse in this size, is below the video, and they're pretty much the same size. So I like the fact that you can adjust the strap. It comes in 2 parts. I do have another strap coming for more shoulder. I don't know if it's me, but I heard another YouTuber say, I'm in the season where I don't want to do crossbodies anymore. I'm more of a shoulder bag person now. And I'm like, I thought that was just me. Like, I feel the purse feel more comfortable being on my shoulder and closer to me versus being a crossbody. And I guess it's based off the weight. Now, my previous video, I did do a suede messenger bag. That bag is purchased for more like on the go, going to different, in the winter, going to different events, and you don't want to bring your full purse. So I would just, pack it full of my essentials. This is more like an everyday bag, if you ask me. It's you can put your planner, you can put your makeup, you can even fit your gloves in here. You can put snacks. It just depends on your life. If you're a mom, you can put some snacks along with all of your things as well, and it will still carry comfortably. You can adjust this to be close to a shoulder strap. Give me one moment and I'm going to try to do that. What I also like is they put this additional loop, because sometimes they don't and it starts sticking out. So I like that as well. And let's just put it on. This is it. Okay, stay tuned for part 2, where I'm going to actually move into this bag and I'm going to carry it for a week. And I'm also going to put my little, embellishments on here, and also show you how I'm going to preserve my tassels, because I did get some of the tassel makeup brush holders that everybody's on YouTube uses for their tassels. I love this community because I'm learning so much that I'm able to apply to my life. I love this rope on the handle. It goes good with this coffee. So, yep, just stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, and welcome, and thank you to all my new subscribers that's already viewing this video. I will see you in the next video, part 2, where I actually pack this bag. Bye.